Hello everyone, welcome to Honnare's Arts and Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a very easy and a very quick decoration that can be done for earthen pots or clay pots, or we also call this as matka. These kind of pots can actually be used for keeping the grains during the festivals. Like we can use it for the puja of Annapurneshwari, or we can use it for Vishukani, or we can even use it for Shakambri, Alankaram and so on. So this decoration is not going to take more than 10 to 15 minutes per pot, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to finish this kind of a decoration for 9 pots or 10 pots in like less than 1.5 an hour. And this is going to be very economical rather than buying the ready-made pots which are available outside. So I request you all to watch this video till the end so that you get an idea on how to do this sitting right at your home with the minimal items. I have taken a clay pot over here which looks something like this. Unfortunately, I forgot to click the record button while I was doing this video, and the actual part of showing how the clay pot was before I did the painting, that part of the video was never recorded. Okay, so I will not be able to show it to you, but this is how it actually looked before I painted. And over here I am using Fevicryl acrylic paint, golden yellow in color, to paint it. So you will have to paint the first coat and let it dry. And how will you check that it is completely dry or not? Just touch it and look at your hands. In case if the paint is not sticking to your hands, then it means it is dry. Once it is dry, apply the second coat as well and let it dry. And for the mouth of the pot, I am putting red color over here. because red and yellow gives a very contrasting combination. And when you are painting red color, make sure that you paint little bit inside also, because once you fill the pot with the grains and all, it should not show the clay part of it. Then take a lace which comes like this. We also call this as ball chain lace or ball lace. I will leave a link for this in the description box, and these items are already available on Amazon. Keep it at the neck of the pot and take a measurement of how much you need to cover the neck area. And you can use Fevicryl fabric glue for sticking this, or you can even use Camlin white glue, which is a strong bond. So just stick it like this. And you can use these kind of stones also to make further decorations. And that is it. Our clay pot is decorated now. See how easy and quick it was to do this decoration. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.